There is also a malfunction called electrical compartments. Temperature. Excessive. It's like our machine has a high surface explosion temperature. We need to look at this tool. There's a diagnosis in the tool. The diagnosis pulls down. There's a diagnosis. Diagnostic data. There's a temperature in the diagnostic data. There's temperature. If we're at this temperature, we have to keep an eye on the ink temperature. The ink temperature and the temperature of our printhead. If it's a very big number, it's now 30 degrees. That means we might have all published it. What if it's small? It's like 40, 45, which means there's no handprint. Hot. We need to talk about cooling our cabins with fans or putting it all in a place where we're mechanically installed. It's an electrical compartment. High. Out of town.